In today's video, let me show you how to use Google Vids to edit your Google Drive videos. Now, this is a recent new feature inside of Google where it lets you edit any of your videos that you've already uploaded inside of your Google Drive. So what you basically need to do is open up any video that you're trying to edit inside of Google Drive. And what you need to do is on the top, you'll see the option called Edit with Google Vids. As soon as you click on it, it's going to take you and the video to the editing section inside of Google Vids. And as you can see, it has been automatically added to the timeline. Now you can make basic edits such as splitting the videos, right clicking on it, and then you'll have the option of split. This is going to be a basic editor, but where this outperforms is you can add in different AI avatars, AI voiceovers, as well as image generation. So on the right hand side, as you can see, you can use the video generation models such as VO as well as the image generation models right here inside of this platform. So if you do need additional footage, which may be AI generated, you can add in your prompts and then add in multiple scenes by just clicking on this plus icon. In the AI videos, you can also upload more videos from Google Drive as well by clicking on the Google Drive or the Google Photos option. Similarly, you can also select from different stock images that might be available inside of this section. So you can take a look at it and just add everything that you need inside of this timeline. As I said, this is not a very professional editor, but if you need simple edits, this can perfectly work. So using this exact method, you can edit your Google Drive videos right inside of Google Vids. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.